Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can use HUAWEI Share. So practically, HUAWEI Share is the HUAWEI internal feature allowing you to move files, data, and what's not between any two given HUAWEI devices, or well, almost any. So in order to use it, you will need to make sure to enable it on both your HUAWEI devices. So this one, it is already enabled on. Then I will enable it on this phone as well. So hold its icon from the control panel and turn on the HUAWEI Share toggle. Then let's quickly test it out. So let's say I'll go into the gallery and send this long screenshot that I have. So share, then HUAWEI Share. Wait until it will find my other HUAWEI phone. Here it is. Now you gotta tap on it. Then accept the transfer at the receiver's end. Wait until the whatever data you have sent will be transferred. And that will be it, as you can see. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.